Hi! In this video we're going to show you how to reset your password on Skills Builder Benchmark. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it easily in a few clicks. Type in your email address and click Continue. On the next screen, click I have forgotten my password. You will see a window appear to confirm that an email has been sent to you. If the email doesn't appear in your inbox, wait a few minutes and refresh the inbox, or check your junk mail or spam folders. When you've opened the email, follow the link to reset your password. Enter a new, strong password that you are likely to remember. A combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters is recommended. Click the I icon to view the password you are setting, just to be sure, then click Confirm. And that's how you reset your password on Skills Builder Benchmark. To get started, go to skillsbuilder.org/benchmark.